Hello, Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident in the Homestead, Florida area, give me a call. The call and the consultation is free. 866-402-4250. I'm an osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine, but I've spent 33 years dealing with soft tissue injuries. Hundreds, thousands of patients just like you that have been involved in accidents. Now, as a primary care physician, I'll communicate with your primary care physician. Most injury clinics don't do that. They don't know how to or don't want to. I will. I know it's important for your primary care physician, even though they will not diagnose and treat auto accidents, to understand what's going on with you and how you're progressing. I also communicate closely with attorneys if you have one. I've been doing this for over 3 decades. I've spent hundreds of hours in depositions and court appearances defending my soft tissue diagnosis, why we ordered certain imaging such as MRI, why we consulted orthopedic and neurology, why you got certain medications, how you've progressed, what got better, what did not get better, what the future may mean in terms of future medical care and medical costs. I've been doing this for over 3 decades. Don't go to a clinic on the front end where they fail to make the proper diagnosis. If they fail to make the proper diagnosis on the front end, your case will fall apart, and some of these medical bills that you're accumulating may go back to you personal insurance or to you personally. So it's important that it's diagnosed right on the front end. If you go to the ER, urgent care, they typically, after hours of waiting among sick people coughing on you, you will get exposed to excessive CAT scans, unnecessary in the diagnosis of soft tissue injuries. In the year 2021, I saw 2 abnormal CAT scans, and I treated thousands of patients who had CAT scans. 2. So if you have significant head trauma or abdominal or chest trauma, maybe that's necessary. Neck or back pain, it's totally useless. It contributes nothing to your soft tissue injuries because you're discharged with the diagnosis, nothing's wrong. They found nothing on the CAT scan. Well, there's something wrong if you have neck or back pain. They just don't know how to diagnose it. So after getting exposed to all the CAT scan radiation, poor diagnosis, sitting with sick people, they place a $5,000 lien on you for walking through the ER, and they give you medications I could have given you or had delivered to your home without you ever leaving the safety, privacy, and comfort of your own home. So give me a call, 24/7, 866-402-4250. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident, I can help you through this process. If you decide to use my services, you simply tap on a cell phone text link. You'll see me, I see you, from the comfort and privacy of your own home, and I can make the proper diagnosis, have medications delivered to your pharmacy or to your house, get reports to your primary care physician, get reports to the insurers, get reports to your attorneys, and the insurance company pays for it. So if you've been injured in Homestead area, give me a call. I work with Homestead chiropractic physicians, physical therapists, orthopedic surgeons, and neurologists. So the physical care is done locally. And since you come to me first, I have incentive to make sure you get to these people quickly. I'm not incentivized to wait till your PIP money's exhausted to then send you out to where you need to be. That's not good for you. That's not fair to you. It's your money. Let's use it wisely. Let's invest in what you need done quickly and early so we know the extent of your diagnosis. We know where you may or may not be going with your prognosis. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident and you're at fault, it's equally important that you at least document the injuries, no matter how minor. You only have 14 days to do that in the state of Florida. On the 15th day, you have no care. So if you do not report those injuries, and on the 15th day you have neck pain and you need medication or therapy, you're not getting it. Now, if you spent thousands of dollars on auto insurance over the years, and now you need that insurance, that's why we pay for insurance, to have access to health care, and you're essentially saying, no, I don't want it, the insurance companies love you for that. You paid all the insurance and now you're letting them keep that money. That was your money that you put aside to take care of you. I'm not saying that you report the injuries and then go on to get thousands of dollars of unnecessary care or treatment. You may get no care or treatment, but you have to diagnose it so that if a week or two later you need something, you have access to it. 2 weeks later, you have no care. You have no access to it. So if you're at fault, call me from the Homestead area, 866-402-4250, and I'll help document that injury. And then I'll follow up with you, and if you're doing fine in a couple of weeks and you say, hey, I'm fine, just close the case. A message to those who have already been involved in an accident, and you're in the middle of care in the Homestead area, and you don't like the care you're getting, again, give me a call. The second opinion is free. 866-402-4250. It's your money. You're paying for that care. If you're not happy with it and you're not progressing, call me. We'll get you into somebody who treats you better, that delivers more personalized care. If you're concerned about your attorney sent you to this clinic, let me know. I'll call your attorney. I'll explain why we're moving you to another location. Your attorney wants you to get better. That's their goal. They want to make sure you have access to all the funds necessary to get better. They sent you to a clinic they were comfortable with, but they would be more than happy to go to another if you're getting the care you need. They're concerned about your welfare and outcome, as I am. So if you have need for a second opinion in the Homestead area, give me a call at 866-402-4250. Thank you.